Good morning, YouTube. This is Naked Rider Joe. Back at it again. Cruising along. You know what I'm saying? It's that time, baby. Gotta get to work. Can't stop a brother from getting to work, boy. Cannot stop a brother from getting to work in the AM. You gotta do our thing, man. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. It's Naked Rider Joe, back at it again. I'm on my Suzuki GSX-8S, loving life, having a great time on my way to work, as usual. Daily commute every single day, Monday through Friday, all year round. Still loving the game up in Oregon. Hey, what I want to talk about today, though, is the desire for a bigger bike. It's kind of a bit of something where every now and then I get the itch, and I'm not really sure why. First of all, it's not like I'm pushing this bike as hard as I can. It's not like I'm the type of guy who's out there on the weekends just straight up like flooring it, midnight runs, taking turns at 90 miles an hour, trying to lean and get my knee down and shit like that. I don't even ride like that, right? The second thing is, I don't track the bike at all. I use my bike to enjoy myself, going out on the weekends and riding around. I went up to Seattle, out to the coast, those type of things on there. But I'm not out here like trying to straight up, trying to get on the track and on a drag strip and all that shit, man. My days are over with that E4. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, this bike is fast enough. It can keep up with the highways. It can go up anywhere. I mean, if I want to put it down, I can. It's 776 cc's, which is still pretty big. It's got plenty of torque and horsepower and stuff. So that's not it at all. But I don't know. Every now and then I get this itching, like that, to have like unlimited power. It's like that fucking guy from Star Wars, man. There's just every now and then I'm that guy. They just want to go out there and melt faces and shit like that with my motorcycle and everything. It's not even from like a show-off phase where I'm going to show the bike off to people. Hell no, man. I'm going to give a fuck about show my bike off to motherfucking random motherfuckers. Fuck all that. But I do get that desire. I do have a desire, like, to get like 1,000 cc bike. Something like the MT10. I would still want to be on a naked bike because I like the comfort. Fuck all that being hunched over all the time. Those days for me are over, man. I'm not about that bullshit at all. And nor would I want one of those damn Harleys or cruisers and shit, man. I like being able to have the ability to ride somewhat aggressive when I need to. And cruisers are not really designed for that. That motherfucker's getting kind of over. Look at it. Motherfucker's creeping up in my lane. Yeah, he did get over my lane. God damn, you gotta watch these motherfuckers. Motherfuckers be all about this bullshit, man. Hey, but anyway, I ain't got a big belly Harley guy or shit like that, man. It's not what I'm saying at all. I still like being able to get on it and getting aggressive when I need to, especially as my morning commute. As you guys say, like, every now and then you gotta make shit happen. Just because, the way traffic is and big trucks and all that shit. I deal with this shit all day, every day. But, oh man, the popo's out again. Damn, boy, they out here trying to get motherfuckers. They got like 3 people this weekend. I don't know, man. I think somebody was like, fuck it, I need my budget. I gotta make that money. And they were out there hitting people hard this weekend. But anyway, so I would still want to get a naked bike because I like the comfort of it. I like the way it looks. I like being able to work on a bike and not being a pain in the ass where you gotta take fairings off and shit. I ain't gotta do all that. Everything's all exposed. So it's like, I ain't gotta do none of that stuff, right? I mean, I just get down there. It's real easy to do an oil change and civil maintenance. You know, never mind the fact that I fucked up when I was trying to change the radiator fluid. You know, don't don't worry about that one there. But everything is good, man. Everything's easy. So I don't know. I think about like that MT10. I think about what's the other motherfucker? The Kawasaki Z900. Is that what I thought about? Like those kind of bikes where give me 1,000 cc's and go right out with it. Now, what I'm gonna do different? I wouldn't do anything different. I'd be doing the same motherfucking shit I'm doing right now, which is going to work, every now and then cut loose, and just, you know, having a blast. Nothing would change at all. It wouldn't be like I'd be trying to go faster than what I'm going now. I mean, like I say, like, this bike is plenty fast enough. It really is on there. So, I mean, I think some people may get bored of it, but I don't know. It all depends on what type of riding you do. If you're that guy where you got to get like a fire blade, or it's just not, you can't wake up without one of those motherfuckers, then yeah, this bike could get pretty fucking boring for you. But for most people, I think, it's fine. 776 cc's is pretty good enough. But no, it's just something I have in my head. I've been thinking about it and everything. I don't think I'm ready to pull that trigger yet, just because, again, like, I'm not really pushing a bike like I would really want to. Like, if I was like constantly just trying to downshift and get in with the more power every chance I get, and I was that fucking guy, then yeah, maybe. But no, I don't. It's just more of a desire for the power, for the sound, for the looks, for the thought of having, you know, 4 cylinders, 3 cylinders, those kind of things on there. So that's what that really comes down to. Just some of those, and cruise control. Once you've taken a bike ride, a motorcycle ride with cruise control, it is hard to go without it, man. Like I said, I did that one in Seattle. It was like 3 hours from like Portland to Seattle, and not having cruise control, man, that was a fucking. It get kind of a little bit annoying. Is what happens. So look at that. It's like I don't even need to downshift. I ain't gotta do nothing. I just roll back on the throttle, and then boom, you're there, right? I mean, yeah, you could downshift and everything, but you don't really have to. Like, it's plenty of power enough. But no, not having cruise control, that's one thing. That's another thing too. I would kind of want to have cruise control, especially as you take longer trips. That shit, man, oh, it's like, it's such a nice feature on a motorcycle, I tell you. Being able to set that cruise control and just be able to chilling out, like what? You know, let your hands go free. Hell yeah. But those are some of my thoughts I had just today on my morning ride. Let me know what you guys think. Whether or not you think, man, you know, 706Cs, that's a fucking training wheel bike, man. You need to get a big dog. You need to get something real is what you need to get. Or if you like, hey, yeah, man, you just, you know, it's all FOMO, you know, fear of missing out. That's what you're going through. You know, save your money, keep it all together, all that kind of good stuff on there. Let me know what you guys think. All right. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Be sure to give a like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.